Ow.
Welcome back to the Chris and Weezy Show.
Welcome.
I am Weezy.
I'm Chris.
We gotta make sure. I want to apologize to the viewers because we haven't been posting once a week, so we have to get back on it.
That's our bad.
Having technical difficulties. So, but Chris, I overheard you tell a story how you recently got kicked out of a comedy store.
I did get kicked out of a comedy
Tell me what happened.
yes, of course. I will go into great detail. I will give you nothing but facts. I will give you nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Here.
Hey, hold on. Don't do that. So I went to a comedy club. I brought my cousin with me. I brought one of his friends. And so something happened at the comedy club. I guess the owner, because what you got to do is you got to pay a fee to get up real quick. You just got to toss them a few dollars so you can get your quick 5 to 7 minutes. And I had paid for my cousin. I always do every time we go to this comedy club because we've been there quite a few times. And I paid for him. I paid for his friend to all get in. And I guess I was inside. I was in. Chris did no wrongdoing. I was inside observing the show, and then my cousin and his friend decided to come in afterwards. Okay, so they came in. They were like, "What's up? What's good?" And they're like, "Did y'all pay?" And they're like, "Oh yeah, my cousin got us. We good. I don't know, man. You guys look like you guys come in here looking like a couple of dickheads." That's what he said. This is verbatim. This is end quotes, air quotes. Said you guys are looking like a couple dickheads, and I was like, oh shoot. I'm actually, I don't know about this. All right, I don't know. This is what somebody else said. All right, and he called one of the other friends homeless. Now this is the owner.
Is that Nehemiah friend? Look like.
Yeah, it looked like he was homeless. Yeah.
Oh my God.
My cousin was just like, "Oh man, that's kind of messed up when you can disrespect my friend like that." But so altercation.
I got a question about
yeah.
Did he look homeless?
No.
Okay, I just want to know.
No, I mean, what did he smell? No, he smelled great. I mean, okay. I don't know. What did he?
Okay.
Like, was he wearing rags? No, he came in there. He came in there in some sweats and some slides. That's like the fresh Negro collection fit. He was looking fine.
Okay.
And then after altercation ensues, I step in between my cousin and the owner. And I shut it down, and then I get an email from the owner that says you guys are all banned because of this whole thing, that happens. He did apologize. He said if I did say anything, I do apologize. But since there was an altercation, I am gonna have to ban each and every one of you. And for some reason, he said it to me specifically. Like he was like, I'm gonna have to ban you and your cousin. I was like, first of all, I saved your life. If anything, you need to give me a medal. All right. I said you're banning me, the wrong person. You're acting like the Browns right now. My sports fans get that one. You get it? You get it?
I'm sure they do.
You get it? You get it?
So you're no longer welcome inside this comedy store.
Do you get it? No, we are not. We are not welcome inside this comedy location no more. But that's what it is. It is what it is. My cousin who's somewhat of a business associate with me. I won't even say associate. He kind of he's my partner. He opens for me when I do go to certain comedy spots. And, we're working on getting better. I told him you got to handle that better. We talked about the situation. We're going to address it in, later time. Do better! And then, yeah.
Do better. No. Okay, so hopefully that won't happen.
Also, the owner, do better!
Yeah, the owner too.
Do better! Yeah!
Now, speaking of comedians, Leslie Jones is leaving Saturday Night Live.
What?
Yes.
Are you serious?
She will on the upcoming 45th season of Saturday Night Live. She is pursuing films and a Netflix comedy special, which I can't wait to see that.
Yeah, no, Leslie Jones is hilarious. I really like Leslie Jones.
Yeah.
Hey, more power to her. I'm gonna miss her on Saturday Night Live. They got such an awesome cast there that I'm really, really sad to see her go. That's upsetting.
Yeah. But Eddie Murphy is going to make an appearance December 21st on SNL.
Ooh. Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah, I can't wait to see that.
Okay. That was a little weird, but okay. Yeah, sure.
Eddie Murphy hasn't been on Saturday Night Live since, I think, 1984. So.
Okay, I just want to let you know that he has recently made an appearance, but that's okay.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah, he did make an appearance.
Oh, really?
Yes, he did. Yes, he did. I don't think it was. I don't believe it was this season, but it might have been last season. I'm not 100% sure, but he has been back on the show.
Oh, okay. Oh, man.
That's okay. We don't cover these topics beforehand. We just go at it. This is not scripted, people. This is a non-scripted show.
So December 21st, I have to mark my calendar because I want to make sure that I see Eddie Murphy.
Yeah, no, that's great. Eddie Murphy is a great legend. He's hilarious. I mean, come on, Raw. Tell me that's not hilarious.
Yeah.
Come on, tell me that's not one of the funniest stand-up specials you ever seen. Delirious. Come on now.
Yeah.
Come on. Even he had a movie called Delirious too, right?
Yes.
Yeah, the movie called Delirious. I mean, the movie is hilarious too. I mean, a lot of great comics in there. What you got? Chris Rock. You got Martin Lawrence. You got David Allen Greer. Great. I mean, hey, shout out to Eddie Murphy. Shout out.
Yeah. So in sports news.
Oh, sports news.
Conor McGregor. Yeah.
Yeah. You're dealing with a different area. You're dealing with a different element, man. I don't know. Your son is not going to be able to handle me in the ring. He's not ready for me. I'm a different element, man.
Okay. Well, he was seen on video punching an elderly man.
Oh, damn, Conor. Damn.
Over a whiskey dispute or something. I'm like,
I did this damn impression for you and you do that? Damn it, Conor.
Right.
Damn it, Conor. Ah.
So, I don't know why elderly man. Old people do talk smack too, but, you shouldn't.
I don't know.
Guy is defenseless, you know?
I don't know. You alone on your statements. I don't know. I can't support you right now, girl. You over here.
They don't deserve it.
Yeah, don't come. I don't want the smoke. That's her. I don't want the smoke.
Now, oh my gosh. Now, this Kobe Bryant did an interview.
Black Mamba?
And he made some comments about Shaquille O'Neal. He said if he had worked out harder in the gym, then he would have won 12 championships.
Now look here, Kobe. Don't you talk about me working out? Because first and foremost, I work out. Can you dig it? I work out all the time. You don't know me like that. All right. How about you shut your face? I'm out here balling. Ken, you dig it? I'm out here balling.
But Shaq's response was, if you would have passed the ball more in the finals, you would have won 12 championships.
First of all, if Kobe would have passed more, he probably right. But Shaq, if you would have worked out more, Kobe probably right. All right? You was pretty big. No, man, you was there, dog. You could have been one of the greatest players of all time. You are by far one of the greatest centers of all time, but you could have been the GOAT. But you still are the GOAT in many of our eyes, man. I love watching Shaquille O'Neal, one of the most dominant players we have ever seen. He's pretty much unstoppable. You could not stop him. But, they both make some good points, and they both, I hope things are good between them now. And, keep on moving on. You guys did some great things. Did they do the three-peat, or did they miss a game? They won 3, but did they do the three-peat? We're gonna do some research.
I can't go that far back.
We're gonna do some research.
I can't go that far back.
We're gonna get back.
Shout out to Big Chicken in Las Vegas. That's a restaurant owned by Shaquille O'Neal. Went there. It's pretty tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Just if you're an adult, don't try to order a kid's meal because you're not allowed to.
Ooh.
Order kids meal. I mean, I always eat kids meal, like at McDonald's, Popeyes, the movies.
Ooh.
I mean, because sometimes I don't really eat that much.
When Shaq come out, he's like, first of all, you're not a kid. You can't order kid meals. Sorry, you can't do that. We don't. No. You gotta get adult meals. Can't get no kids meal. This is not. Can you? No, you can't do that. Sorry, not a big chicken.
But a lot of adults get kids meals.
I think you might be.
Especially in California. Then nobody says nothing. They just like, let me have a kid meal, and they just give it to you. Right, viewers? Let us know.
You think you might be? You might be. Once again, she might be on your own on this one. I don't want the smoke. All right, look, you might be on your own on this one. I can't support it.
Anyway, in hip hop news, Rick Ross has a memoir out, a book called Hurricanes.
Hurricanes.
Yeah.
What do you know about hurricanes?
That's the title.
Oh, okay,
That's the title.
My bad. I'm sorry. He probably don't know nothing about hurricanes.
So he talks about how he abused codeine. He no longer does that. Okay. But then he also discussed like one night he had a seizure and he was with a woman and he pooped in the bed.
How that got anything to do with hurricanes?
Well, that's in the book. That's
There's nothing to do.
Well, at least he's saying it first before somebody else tells the story.
What are they gonna call it? What are they gonna call it? Tornadoes? Like it don't make no sense. Why is it called hurricanes? Like what the hurricanes? The true story behind I pooped myself. It ain't got nothing to do with hurricanes. But you heard it here first. Like, what the hell? What they gonna come out with something? What, somebody else gonna release this and call it earthquakes?
Bravo for him for being so honest.
No, we talking about the topic.
So now I can tell people that sometimes I urinate when I take a shower. I bet you there's a lot of people that do this.
The hell is wrong with this girl?
A lot of people urinate when they take a shower, right? Just like sometimes people do it in a pool, especially kids. They gotta go to the restroom, they having so much fun, so they just use the restroom.
What you gonna call this damn book? What you gonna call your book? What you gonna call your book? Car accident? What you gonna call your book? What natural disaster you gonna call your book?
I'm not coming out with a book. I just thought I would share that information.
Hurricanes Part 2, y'all. They ain't got one damn thing to do with a goddamn hurricane.
I'm pretty sure you have secrets too. So
yeah, I'm gonna call it tidal wave.
That don't even sound good.
I'm just following the suit.
Anyway.
Everybody talking about natural disasters. Ain't got nothing to do with natural disasters. I got a book called Hurricanes. Oh, it's about hurricanes? No, it's not about hurricanes. I got it for you, though.
News across the world.
News across the world.
Shut up.
Okay, hurricanes.
A man in South Africa got mauled by 3 of his lions.
That sounds about right. That makes sense.
I guess they really didn't like him.
Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, South Africa, lions, mauled, that all makes sense to me. I don't know. That just sounds right.
They was trying to fix a broken fence and they mauled him.
That's the only part that sounds odd to me. But the mauled part sounds right. The broken fence part, I'm like, what, you keep him in a fence? You think the fence is going to save you? But everything else Sounds right. It's the broken fence that I'm on the fence on.
Yeah, it's crazy. You gotta be very careful with those wild animals.
The fact that you have to say that is ridiculous. All right. Obviously, you gotta be careful. But he was like, "Oh, they're jobs. Yeah, we'll be fine." Like, what would you do? Like, you think people at the zoo is just like, "Oh, they're lions. Don't worry, we'll be fine. Let's get in here." All right. Hey, come on, man. Do your job. All right. Oh God. Oh, all right. Oh goodness. Wow. All right.
Also, this is very sad, horrible. ASAP Rocky lawyer in Sweden got shot in the head and chest.
For what?
Exactly. What? Like, what's up with that?
Hey, Sweden losing points, man. It ain't safe. It ain't safe. It ain't safe. ASAP line.
So all you have to do is get another lawyer.
Got to, cause it ain't safe. It ain't safe. It ain't safe.
Anyway, thank you for tuning in.
Hey, thanks for coming
Make sure
through.
you watch next week. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification
Yes.
button and like.
Yes. Yes. Yeah. Do all that. Yeah.